This is how you can start your Shopify business for only $3. You're right, you can get Shopify for only $3, including a Shopify team that is completely AI powered, okay? And what you're seeing here on the screen is exactly coming from that Shopify team. And just look at how beautiful it is, okay? Just look at these banners, look at these collections, all right? So just look at all of these sections, how nicely they are styled, okay? And all this can be done basically for the foundation using AI, and then you can simply drag and drop these beautiful blocks the way you want them. And this specific Shopify theme, it's called Debutify, is fully AI powered. And also it comes with almost 90 built-in Shopify widgets, meaning so this theme has its own native built-in sort of Shopify apps. So if you see right here, we have all these nice badges, for example, all right? So if I go on the product page, it's gonna be a better example. So here you can see these announcement bars, you can see these animated add to cart buttons, all the badges here, right? So this is super important for the trust of the customer, right? So all these accordions where you can nicely nest all the product information, newsletter pop-ups, and essentially everything that you need to have from A to Z to build a really high converting Shopify store and Shopify with the Shopify team that will skyrocket your average order value and conversion rates, right? So if you're super excited, let me actually show you how you can do all of this for only $3, all right? So guys, let's go ahead and dive into it. The first thing you need Shopify, okay? And to get Shopify, first of all, for only $1 for the next 3 months, you will need to use a link that I'll be providing below the video in the description box. Okay, so this is going to be linked to Kickstarter Shopify for only $1. But also, if you go to debutify.com right here, it's going to be the same link. So just click here on Start Free Trial, for example, and simply enter your email address. Okay, this is the fastest and easiest way to do that. And once you do that, it's going to ask you simply to enter your first, last name, and your basically all the basic information. And you can even skip onboarding, which is going to ask you to do. Just skip it, and you will have Shopify up and running like this in literally like 6 seconds. I promise you guys. Okay. So once you have this, this means that successfully you've successfully signed up for Shopify. All right. If you ran into an issue, just leave a comment below and tell me what happened, and I'm gonna help you out. So next up, you need a Shopify team, right? So as I said, we're gonna be using Debutify because it's fully AI powered, and this is like the best beginner-friendly AI powered Shopify team. Okay, and guys, as a bonus, I think I forgot to tell you, you can get a .store domain for free if you go with Debutify. Okay, and .store domain is really cool because people like Mr. Beast are using .store domain, and a bunch of other huge brands are using it. And .store domain is really, really good for the trust of the user. So when they go, for example, on your brand.store, they know instantly, okay, this is a reputable e-commerce store that is selling some kind of product. Okay, so it's really important because by default, Shopify will give you some funny URLs like yourstore.myshopify.com, which doesn't look very presentable, right? So, anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get you the Debutify theme ASAP. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to debutify.com, and also I'll be including these links below the video in the description box. If not, you can do it manually. Do debutify.com, and you're going to be here, and just simply click on try for $1 for 30 days. All right. So here I'm gonna sign in with my email. You can just simply sign up with your email. Here I'm gonna choose my email right here. Okay. And you're gonna be essentially here on this main dashboard. And from here, all you're gonna do really just click on open, right? So, and it's gonna be like this. And guys, just look at all this cool stuff you have here. Okay, just look at that. All these AI tools. Okay, so this is the AI Store Builder. Essentially, can using a prompt, you can build an entire Shopify team. Okay, by simply using a prompt. For example, build me a pet store selling pet accessories or fashion niche store, like essentially anything, and AI does it for you, and then you simply download it. And I'm gonna show you just in a second how exactly that works, right? So, but if you want to go manual way, you also have the template library. So if you click right here, okay, and go under all templates, and you're gonna have all these beautiful pre-made templates ready to go. Okay, so you're just gonna download it, plug and play that into your Shopify, and just basically customize it based on your needs, right? So, but again, just look at that. Look, every niche you can possibly think of: fashion, pets, beauty, and they are all optimized for mobile and speed, and they're like super, super fast. One of the fastest Shopify teams out there in 2025, right? So Now, once you do that, you will need to essentially download the theme, right? So once you have the account with Debutify, the next thing you're gonna do, you need to get the theme. So you can do it either manually like this by just downloading it through this nice CTA that says download theme, okay? Or we can do it the cool way and use the AI Store Builder, right? So if you go on AI Store Builder here, you can do something like build a pet store pet store theme for me. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna send it to AI, and it's gonna do super fast, guys. Just check it out. Look, it's like going. It's been like maybe 5-10 seconds. It's still doing its thing, and it's gonna be really, really fast because the speed is like out of this world. Is like crazy, crazy fast, and it's about to be completed. One, right? I wasn't even able to count until 3, right? So cool. So this is good to go. I'm gonna click on continue and I'm gonna get my team. And what's gonna happen is gonna send me a zip file to my email, right? So that's kind of the team itself. I'm gonna go to my email. I will need to refresh it a couple of times. And essentially, this is the email. It looks like this, okay? And once you click on it, it's gonna download a zip file into your downloads, right? So once you have that zip file in your downloads right here, okay, you're gonna go to back to your Shopify right here, all right? So now what I'm gonna do to install this Shopify theme in my Shopify, I'm gonna go here on import theme, upload zip file, and then I'm gonna select this right here, okay? The Debutify pets, that one, that's the one we just generated, and I'm gonna upload the file and it's gonna install, okay? It's gonna take roughly maybe 60 seconds. And it's gonna be good to go. And then I'm gonna kind of show you the basics, how easy it is to customize and really how user friendly it is. And you can really make the most unique Shopify store out there, making sure that it won't be anything like all the other AI store builders, because all those AI store builders will pre-generate generic themes that are looking all the same. So you want to have a competitive edge because you'll be able to do so many things with all these 90 plus built-in widgets in that Shopify theme, right? So really, really awesome stuff, guys. So let's do that. All right, so it's good to go. Here it is. Just add it, right? So we can maybe, if you guys want to know how to rename your Shopify theme, just kind of keep it cool and personal. And I can say something like my first Shopify theme. Okay, I'm gonna say thanks, Debutify. All right, cool. And you can name it whatever you want. Really, just keep it clean, and organized. Honestly, it's up to you. And then you want to make sure that you publish it. But again, don't publish it if it's not ready yet. So the best practice really is to keep it unpublished in a draft while you're working on it. But once you're done and super happy with everything and you've done all the changes, just go ahead and publish it. And it's going to be basically your live theme. Okay. But if you just create an account, you won't be able to actually preview live in a sense. So if you go to your, for example, domain, you won't be able to access it because it's going to say, hey, can you enter the password? So for example, if I preview like this, right? And I just copy my URL right here, okay? And then I'm gonna go to private tab and I'm gonna plug in the URL here. It's gonna ask me to enter the password, okay? Because it's password protected, totally normal for brand new Shopify store. Shopify does that by default. So once you're done with customizing your theme, just go here on see password and then simply remove the password right here. Yeah, so here it is. Basically, you will unplug this one. So right now my store is in development. I don't have this option, but if you create an account, you have a standard Shopify basic plan for $1 for the next three months. You're gonna have this toggle, so just toggle it off, save it, and the password will be removed. All right. So that's kind of the basics of Shopify. So now let's go check out the Shopify theme itself. To customize, or essentially to access the Shopify's customizer, just click on customize right here. And this is where all the cool magic happens, right? So you might see something like this, all these red banners, basically just says that the Shopify widgets, if you guys remember, attached or not. So the Shopify apps that are built in within the theme, they just simply are toggled off. So you can kind of yourself organize which ones you want to enable and disable, okay? So to do that, you're gonna go to settings here, and you're gonna have all these basically under the paid widgets or free widgets. You see, guys, so they are toggled off. So basically toggle on the ones that you want to. And the ones that are toggled off will be marked as red. But don't worry, it's not customer facing. Your customers won't be seeing. It's only for you to really understand which ones are enabled and which ones are disabled, okay? So let me just kind of enable all of them so I can showcase you the default template. Okay. Cool. So I think I got most of them. So again, if you guys want to remember to toggle off the widgets, or AKA the built-in Debutify Shopify apps within the theme customizer, go to settings, and then it's going to be under either, well, we have a couple of sections here. So the free widgets. Okay. So if you go with the free plan at the end, the free plan basically gives you all the Shopify theme just minus the widgets. You get like, I believe 10 free widgets. And the Debutify is the only Shopify theme that can meet you in every part of your Shopify e-commerce journey, right? So at the beginning, where you're beginning, you are low on a budget. There's a plan for that. Okay. In the middle, where you kind of are growing, you have a bit of a budget. So there's a plan for that. Okay. There's a plan even for the times when you're scaling and ready to expand, and even for the times when you are becoming huge DTC brand and you are going maybe into 6-7 figures. And there is even a enterprise plan which includes a bunch of customizations, limited team development, VIP customer service, all right, and SEO service, and really the foundations for your advertising. So all of that is also included with the Debutify. So there's nobody else out there who is providing any services like that with the Shopify team. Okay, so definitely check it out, guys. The Debutify is the thing for 2025 if you want to grow and scale your e-commerce DTC brand in 2025. Okay, so let's go back to the theme itself. So we have this nice banner, okay, and basically I'm not going to be doing too much content, just really showing you the sections and kind of breaking down fast, right? So just look at that. Everything is responsive out of the box. So if I change the mobile, everything is perfectly aligning and everything just looks nice. Okay, so all you really need to do, create your collections, products, and choose them in here, right? So my Shopify store doesn't have any products or collections, but again, it's really easy. If you look on the left side, everything is super nicely explained. So if you click on this one, it's going to bring you to the banner. If you want to know, for example, what is this, just click on it. It's going to bring you to that section. And each element or block, like we call them in Shopify, is customizable. Okay, so heading on its own can be customized, right? Title on its own can be customized. This means that everything is modular and you can customize every single element, right? So not that long ago, you would essentially have to hire developers to split those into different elements and components and to customize them for you, right? But now you can do, as a somebody who doesn't know anything about development, code, or whatever, you can do it yourself by simply clicking on it. Or even if you don't want to use sections or blocks, just click right here simply, and it's going to bring you on the input box where you can customize. For example, I want to customize this text right here. I'm going to click on it. It's going to bring me here, and I'm going to say something like my top choices, whatever, just really whatever. Okay, so my top choices, and I'll click save, and the change was done just like that. And essentially, everything within the Debutify can be customized in this style, right? So let's continue. And we have everything you could possibly want, right? So we have already pre-made sort of customer reviews. You can plug them in, change the stars, the colors. You can plug in the image for the product review, the author image, right? So you have different sections. You have before and after sections. You have so many. Like, honestly, it would take me hours to explain you each individual part of the team. Like, it's that highly customizable, but at the same time so beginner friendly that anyone could do it. I swear, like, you guys can ask your grandmother and she will be able to build her own Shopify store using Debutify. So now let's move on to the product pages, right? So we kind of covered the homepage. Again, as I mentioned, everything is customizable. If you want to customize the footer, for example, just click on the footer and then choose any of these sections or elements or blocks and just simply click on it and customize. And again, look at all the, for example, let me just, before I move on, if I click on a double image banner, just look at all these options you have. Okay, you have essentially options to have an image specifically for desktop and for mobile. You can adjust the heights based on desktop or mobile. So it's like extremely flexible. You have animations, gradient colors, like anything. The store can be done absolutely beautifully, right? So let me now move on to the product page quickly, okay? I do believe I have one product. Maybe I don't. I do, okay. I have this like basically fake creatine or whatever pre-workout thing that I did for as a demo. So just look at that. I haven't added yet anything out of the box. So, well, we have these nice animated CTAs, okay? You have before and after process. You have basically stock scarcity. You have all the pop-ups here for the email, right? You have social sharing. You have image with the text. You have recently with products and a bunch of other bundles, right? So you can add also quantity breaks, right? So if you want to, for example, upsell in quantities, you can add quantity breaks, which is really important for your average order value. And basically, like if you look here under the Debutify widgets, once you're on the product page, so all these widgets or Shopify apps are available for your customization and to be added to your store any minute. Okay, it doesn't come from any third-party source. There won't be any bugs or lags, so everything is like super butter smooth, making sure that your store is running 24/7 and there are no hiccups, right? So pretty awesome stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much that. So if you want to add a section, for example, you're just gonna go here, add a section, right? And then just look at all these sections, right? So I think one of the cool ones that I really love about the Debutify is before and after, right? So this is really cool if you are in a health, for example, or maybe a beauty niche, because it's super important to kind of showcase the product before and after, right? So that's exactly what the section does, right? So if you would have to install a third-party Shopify app, it would definitely cost you maybe $15-20 a month for something like that, right? If you would have to get a additional widget, and it wouldn't be probably looking nice because it wouldn't be native to your Shopify team, right? So this is really cool because you can showcase before and after effects, right? Super important in the DTC world in general. So yeah, that's how you add sections. You have the blocks, so each section is a block, and blocks are essentially sort of a think of them as a section as the parent and the block is a child, and it just basically has sort of a options or customizations for that section within it, right? So you can add basically different blocks for before and after, right? So and each block has its own unique settings. So again, customizations are absolutely unlimited, right? So that's pretty much for that. And guys, let me just kind of showcase you the last thing that you should know. If you guys went with the Debutify, you can get a .store domain for 100% free. Okay, so I don't want you guys to miss it because this is really important and cool opportunity for your brand authority to have a actual proper domain. All right, so here .store, I'm just gonna go to the Debutify, log in, and look for the section that says get your free .store domain. Right, so just here, simply enter the domain that you want, and once you find it, click on search, and once you do, you're going to continue through the setup and it's fully automated. You don't need to do any, technical stuff. Everything is self-guided. The setup will hold your hand, right? And you will have your .store domain up and running in like literally, I think it takes about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes max. So yeah, definitely take advantage of this. I'm not sure how long it's going to be here. For now, we have a promo with the .store domain. So it's 100% free for the first year. Okay. And yeah, so pretty much that's everything you need to have to kickstart your Shopify store for literally $3 for the first month. Yeah, if you guys have any questions or if you run into any issues at any point, either setting up Shopify, the Debutify team, or the store domain, let me know down in the comments and I'm going to help you out. Guys, you already know, happy store building and business building. I'm going to see you next time as always.